Howdy guys, Big Mix Models UK back again with this Panzer build. Well, as you know, last time we did one side of the suspension and I said that I'd go off camera and do the other side, which I have done. Nothing else, nothing more, except put the toe up itch just there. Only reason is because those bars run through the bodywork from either side and glued it in the middle. I'll just pop a little glue on there just to make sure I got that right the first time. But yeah, that's how we're up to at the moment, and let's get on to part 2 then. Okay, part 2, we need the hub hole. So we'll find my knife now. We'll snip that away from the sprue. And just give it a clean up where she's been cut off. That's 2. Just one bigger side. That's 3. Okay, so we've got the whole topple. Right, it's looking like we need these 2 parts just here. And make a door or hatch of some kind. Just snip that out. It's fairly tight in there. Take more for the knife. Hope you're all having good weather. Over in Skegness, we're going absolutely pitch black again. It's been hot today, hot as hell. But they reckon for some rain and thunder for this evening, which is a good way of getting into your man cave and getting all those jobs done I think you've been meaning to get done. Okay, which way do I go with this? We'll go that way. No, that's the wrong pieces, believe it or not. This is how confusing this kit is. It's so confusing. It's these pieces. With not being numbered, it's a matter of just, you've got, I mean, it's got numbers on here. This is the worst thing. It's got numbers on the kit. Instructions, but there's no numbers on anything on the sprues. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What that goes like that. We're getting the first fit issues. Okay, fit that. little bit of a fit issue. It shouldn't. There we go. That fits lovely now. That's snug. Snug as a bug in a rug. And we'll glue this from the inside, so. Buggers leak through. That's all I needed. Well, nothing we can do about that. I'll have to clean that off. And a bit of a sundown on it. Pain in the butt when it does that, but that was it. Not much we can do once it's done it. Now, I don't want the same thing to happen to this. There we go, got it. So we've put the actual door in there. Okay, we've got the bit that looks like a bunker. Help! Help, help, help! Where is this piece? I don't know where this piece is. As the German would say. It's got to be here, but there's any. That's too long. Way too long. I don't know. That's the only piece that resembles that. But it isn't. It's there. Good God, is that flimsy. Well, we'll have to get this off. With the knife. So it looks to be warped as it is. Go through. I was expecting that to break. Oh, dear me, question. This is a funny piece. It doesn't actually fit. It looks too small for where it's got to go. So, and I'll have to put it in best I can and hope for the best it stays there. That's what it should be. There. Lovely. Just get a seam of glue down there. Okay, we'll put that little screen in just along there. It's nerve. I think it's nerve more than anything. Oh, up to 9 minutes. Not a lot you can do in 9 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the feathers. And up. I know sometimes you can't get a lot done, it's impossible, but you know, I don't like to not get things done. I'm working on a project. I'd love to get them projects finished. I know I've got some on my shelf to do. I've still got my S16 to finish putting decals on. But that is a tedious one, so I'm not even going to go into that. And which one has got the slots? Front one. Oh. Yeah, what's the fit there? Was it? Oh, yes, no. There you go. No. These are actually concave. The part they're going on to is straight. Lovely. It's like the old saying, square peg in a round hole. It don't fit. Oh, this is the fun I'm having with these. There's only three. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Annoying, annoying, annoying. Right, take that back off. This 4 can go up there. So I think they're for the top turret. And for this bottom turret, I think we've got these on. Sorry about this. It's horrible having a kit with no direct instructions, but nothing of any out from there. I must admit, oh, they was the wrong ones. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Testers kits, very testing. I don't know if anybody else has had something like this where you've got everything numbered up on the instructions, but nothing on the screws. It's annoying. It's annoying as hell. Especially when the little parts don't want to go in them. Because you're picking the wrong bits out. I don't know. I think this might be the last testers kit I get if they're all like this. I mean, I don't mind a challenge, but I like a fair challenge. You know? I like to know that you've got instructions, and you've got your numbers. It just gives you a little bit of a, you know, help out. But this way, good gosh, it's a nightmare job. Okay, we've got the top doors in, we've got the doors in, we've got the lookout ports in, and we're all cleaned up. And on the previous video we did the bottom of the hull. I don't know how this fits, but let's have a look, see if we can find anything. I don't think it goes that way, I think it goes that way. Oop. Yeah, it goes that way, I'm afraid. So that's the sort of size vehicle we're going to get out of this kit once it's finished. That's a 1/35 scale. But anyway, let's crack on. I'll try and get this section finished, and then the next video will be this part. Part 4 will be there. Part 5. Part 6 and 7 may get done together. And then it will be on to the priming, painting, decals, weathering, blah 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 blah. So let's crack on. Where are we? We're on the wrong page now. Okay. I've done that. What's this doing? Here we go. I can't see. Version 1, version 2. Big help. That's these pieces that I've already got off. They go in on this back piece, I assume. So, okay. This is a bit strange, but we'll go with it. Not making any sense to what it's putting at the back here, but we'll do as it asks. Not as we think. Yeah. That's saying that these two pieces go on there. And that. And one like this. Okay. Oh. Here's the report that I need now. I don't know. I have to find it, it says. Those pieces then. Okay. lever. It's telling me it goes. That's the wrong. Confusing. I think we're in for a storm this evening. The weather's really getting up, and I usually meet down here, but storm's on the front. Okay. What's this? Okay. Right, guys. We've got the back parts fitted. I don't know what they are. We've got all the lookouts fitted, and we've got the doors fitted. So off camera, I'm just going to tidy this scuffing up around here, polish that back out, and I'm going to try and get rid of a bit of this blue spillage there. So anyway, guys, that's part 2. Like and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying this live build, and I'll catch you on the next update. Okay, guys, bye bye for now. Have fun.